If you have ever struggled with changing the engine oil of your motorcycle, you're not alone. It's a common issue many riders face. But fear not. Today, we are here to simplify the process and provide you with easy to follow instructions on how to change the engine oil of your motorcycle. Through this comprehensive guide, we will empower you with knowledge and step-by-step instructions necessary to overcome this challenge and keep your motorcycle running smoothly. Let's get started and ensure your bike stays in top shape. Now, the first and most important task is how to identify the problem. So guys, have you ever noticed your motorcycle's engine running louder than usual? Or those pesky dashboard warning lights that refuse to go away? Perhaps your oil level has dipped below the minimum mark. These are warning signs that it's time to change your engine oil. And now that we have identified the problem, here is the quick SOS guide to help you navigate through this task with confidence. Step 1. First, locate the dipstick, which is usually labeled and found near the engine. It's a long, thin rod with a handle on one end. Pull the dipstick out of its tube or housing completely. Reinsert the dipstick back into its tube or housing until it's fully seated. Pull the dipstick out again and observe the oil level. There are usually two markings on the dipstick, indicating the minimum and maximum oil levels. In case the oil is spoiled, it may appear thick, dark, sludgy, or contain particles or contaminants. In our scenario, we have to change our engine oil. Let's start with the basic tool requirement. Mini toolbox, L-wrench, funnel. Now that we are fully equipped, let's proceed to solve the problem. How to fix the problem? Remember to clean your work area before diving in. Draining the old oil. Locate all the screws of the guard that protects the engine. Not all bikes have it. Loosen up the screws and carefully remove the guard. Now locate and access the drain plug. Place the oil change pan beneath the drain plug before removing the plug, as the oil may spread all over. Carefully loosen the plug, allowing the old oil to flow into the pan. Once the oil has completely drained, securely tighten the drain plug back into place. Now comes the exciting part, adding fresh oil to your engine. Attach the funnel to the oil fill port and pour in the new oil slowly and carefully. Once you've reached the recommended level, remove the funnel and securely tighten the oil fill port cap. Just fix all the parts back to their places securely. And it's done. Yes, it was that easy. Congratulations guys, you've successfully changed your motorcycle's engine oil. But hold it guys, because we are not done just yet. To keep your bike running smoothly, remember a couple of preventive measures. Regularly change your engine oil every 6 months or more frequently, depending on the number of kilometers you ride. And always opt for good quality engine oil to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Well, that wraps up our guide on changing the engine oil of a motorcycle. We hope you feel empowered to take control of this crucial maintenance task. Remember, a well-oiled engine is a happy engine. Don't forget to share your thoughts and stay tuned for more exciting motorcycle tips and tricks.